Hey everyone, today we're gonna see how to install quad lock fork stem mount. Firstly, the quad lock fork stem mount fits motorcycles with hollow fork stems. It is compatible with steering stems from 12mm to 24mm in the diameter. Your kit includes several rubber expansion sleeves. Choose the sleeve that fits snugly into your fork stem. Insert the chosen expanding sleeve into the fork stem and place the quad lock mount base inside the sleeve. Ensure that it sits straight and centered. Using the Allen key, tighten the central screws to expand the rubber sleeve and keep tightening until the mount feels firm and does not rotate when you try to move it. Avoid over-tightening to prevent damage, and align the quad lock mount head with the top of the fork stem mount. Secure it with a screw provided in the kit, and if you're using the quad lock vibration dampener, install it before attaching the mount head. Gently shake or rotate the mount, attach your phone, and ensure the mount does not move while riding. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.